Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Trickers World. We are back with a new video and today we are going to talk to you about the best speaker brands that are available in India. So what is a speaker? A speaker is basically an electronic device that is used to amplify sounds. It is a transducer that converts electronic signals into sound signals. Speakers can be used with TVs, laptops, mobiles, or even on their own so as to improve the audio quality and the level of entertainment experience of the user. So now let us look at some of the best brands for speakers in India. So now let us look at some of the best brands for speakers. The first one that we are checking out is JBL. JBL is undoubtedly one of the most popular brands for speakers. It is known for creating very superior quality products in every price range. Be it home theater or portable speakers, JBL is known for its diversity and quality worldwide. It is one of the most sought after speaker brands because of its amazing technology available at affordable prices. Next up we check out Sony. Another very popular speaker brand in the world is Sony. It provides extremely high-tech and groundbreaking speakers and audio devices like headphones and earphones at very affordable prices. Although Sony speakers are usually smaller in size, they boast of much more improved sounds than their counterparts. You can find Sony speakers in almost all categories as they are a very versatile brand. Next we have a look at Philips. Philips is perhaps the oldest player in the market. It is known as one of the most trusted electronic brands in the world and has been producing quality products for a very long time. Philips speakers are groundbreaking with some of the best tech used in their devices. Without a doubt, it can be stated that it is one of the best speaker brands in the world that provides great products in the budget category. Now we will have a look at Bose. Bose is a premium speaker brand known for its superior technology, amazing sound quality, and some of the most beautiful and high-end designed speakers in the world. Bose has been at the forefront of new and innovative developments in speakers and is also ahead in the race to be one of the top speaker brands for cars. If you are looking for top-notch technology, then Bose is the brand for you. Last but not the least, we will have a look at Boat. Ever since it began as a lifestyle brand in the year 2016, Boat has made significant progress in the audio electronics industry. With game-changing products, Boat has been able to shake up the market and become very popular. So if you're looking for budget audio devices, then you can safely turn to Boat to provide you with top quality speakers and other audio devices. So this was all in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel Trickers World to stay updated with our latest video. We will be back very soon with a new topic. Till then, goodbye.